This is an 8,000 BTU Midea air conditioner. This one isn't that old, but I think the filter is pretty dirty. Let me try and take this cover off so you can see it. Yeah, that filter is really dusty. It needs to be washed. This whole thing needs to be washed out. And yeah, this whole thing needs to be washed out. It's pretty dirty in there. And the condenser coil has a lot of dust on it, which you can't really see. This has a Welling fan motor in it. And a GMCC compressor. This is the only air conditioner I have with one of these. I haven't run this thing in ages. This has been sitting out in the garage. Here's the information. 8,000 BTU, energy efficiency rating 12, 6.43 amps. Uses R32 refrigerant. Here's the back of it. Condenser is in really good shape. Midea manufactures their air conditioners under a ton of different brand names. There's almost too many to even list. But if you have a unit that's not branded Midea, if it's something else, but it has this circle over the compressor, you can be assured that it is a Midea product. Here's the control panel. Timer, energy saver, mode select. So we got auto, cool, probably a dehumidify setting, and then just fan only. Power button and up and down. It's got a remote sensor next to the display. Fan speed and filter reset and sleep function. Okay, I'm gonna start it up. The compressor is definitely not gonna start right now. I'm just going to put it on fan only. Okay, so it's on low right now. Seems kind of loud. It's pulling 0.76 amps and 92 watts. Let's go to medium. 0.82, 96 watts. And high. .93 amps and 102 watts. Alright. Now time to put the heater in front of it so the compressor starts. Alright, let's see if the compressor starts now. Currently at 3.06 amps, 363 watts. It's been about 10 minutes. We're up to 4.08 amps and 488 watts. And we're about 47 degrees. It's been running for a little bit over 20 minutes now, and it's at 4.72 amps and 561 watts. Turn this back on. Real cold air coming out of there. We'll go with medium. That's about where it's going to stay on high speed. I'm just starting to take the Midea air conditioner apart so I can clean it out. One thing I noticed that I like is the fact that the temperature sensor is down towards the bottom, so it doesn't get as much cold air recirculated, and it won't cut the compressor on and off as much as it would if it was, towards the top. Cover's off. It is pretty dirty in here, especially in the bottom, and take a look at all the dust on the condenser coil. That's just crazy. I can't believe there is even air going through that. And here's a better look at the compressor. I just finished washing it out. It's a lot cleaner. The condenser coil especially is a lot cleaner. Let me get my light. Yeah, it looks a lot better now. What I did was I unscrewed the two screws that are holding the motor mount and fan shroud assembly on. There's one screw on this side and one on the other side. And then I lifted the shroud up without having the condenser coil come up. Kind of tricky, but I did that so I could get in there better with the hose. Basically, you need to spray downward on the inside on some of these, because spraying through the back won't work with a dual layer coil like this. So that's what I had to do.